Did you know that 77% of organizations have made threat modeling a top priority for them this year? Threat modeling is critical in today's cybersecurity landscape for identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential security vulnerabilities in software systems. The Certified Threat Modeling Professional is a first-of-its-kind comprehensive hands-on course covering various dimensions of threat modeling, from basic concepts to advanced techniques and tools, to help you design and implement highly secure systems. With this vendor-neutral course, you'll learn threat modeling processes, tools, and techniques to implement secure design principles. Whether you're a security engineer, architect, or software developer, the Threat Modeling Professional course will provide you with the knowledge and skills to build and maintain threat modeling projects. You can access the course and labs right within your browser. With no software to download, you'll be up and running in no time. If you ever have questions, our 24/7 support on Mattermost will get you the answer from the instructor within minutes, not hours. In this course, we'll dive deep into the world of threat modeling. We'll comprehensively explore the threat modeling landscape, providing you with a one-stop-shop experience for tools and techniques. We'll discuss methodologies like Stride and compare them to other approaches in order to help you choose the most suitable model for your projects. We'll tailor threat modeling strategies for Agile development teams and ensure that security considerations are integrated from the ground up. We'll help you automate and integrate threat modeling into your development pipeline using code-based techniques. We'll teach you advanced methodologies for quickly assessing risk and prioritizing threats based on their potential impact, ensuring security resources are allocated effectively. We'll study secure design principles such as defense in depth, least privilege, and separation of concerns, illustrating these principles through real-world examples and case studies from various industries. We'll delve into modern privacy concerns and teach you techniques to perform privacy threat modeling, ensuring compliance with GDPR, CCPA, and other relevant regulations. Our goal is to bring all these topics and threat modeling tools in one place, enabling you to leverage them in real-life situations fully. By completing this course, you'll not only be able to challenge and earn the certification, but you'll also be able to demonstrate your threat modeling skills to employers and peers. Join the ranks of top-notch companies and 5,000 successful students by securing your future with our globally recognized certification in threat modeling. Get ahead of the curve and start your learning journey today at practicaldevsecops.com.